Alright guys, so what is going on? Car Geeks here with another video, and it's like 7 a.m. We're going to Cars and Coffee, and so today's supposed to be the biggest Cars and Coffee yet. We're gonna see so many cars out there. There's gonna be the Koenigsegg, the Bugatti, the maybe the P1, I'm not sure, and Pagani. But if you guys want to check out Supercar Saturday, which was yesterday's video, they were also in that video, but today we're getting way more shots because we're gonna have a lot more time. And right now we're heading out to Cars and Coffee. I don't know if we're waiting on more people, but
yeah, Casper, we got so many Caspers coming with us.
That's guy's not even with us, but so yeah, I don't know, we're about to head out. All right guys, so we're heading out right now. Ready, boy? Yeah. All right guys, so we have made it to Cars and Coffee. Everyone left me actually, but well, yeah, there's no point of telling you like where I'm at, because by the time you see this video, my car's not gonna be anymore. So anyway, this seems to be like, this is the Mustang area, like right over here. And so Gianni's the only one that parked next to me. Everyone else I rode out is somewhere else.
Copyright, bro. I'm gonna sue you.
Yo,
Holy camber, dude. Yo, if he had to stop like fast, he has no traction at all to like, he's sliding into whoever he's behind.
That's fucking goals, bro. I want to do that shit.
what, use 10% of your tire?
Yo, my hand is the same size as that Midas hand from right here.
Yeah, flip it every 400 miles. That's like.
But realistically, that thing's like 12 feet tall. Here's a Stormtrooper with his 4 GTs pulling up. They're all getting coffee right now. Hey, dude.
Hi, Mitch. It's okay.
So here's like the front of Cars and Coffee. I didn't even realize, but this is a 911R that we have out here. Then you got this Porsche, and Michelin brought it. They have a huge Michelin tent here. This is the 911R, as you guys can see. Pretty cool car. And then there's this race car here, which is an RS Spider, I guess, because that's what it says. It's a one-seater. Looks like two, but it's really just a one-seater. He sits on that side. It is so wide, this car. This is the Le Mans car, actually.
Oh, dude. I was just watching a Le Mans video, like, shoot like a
damn, they have like settings at night.
So this BMW is a Z4. It's a racing type. This is really cool. I've never seen one before.
I can't believe what the wet racing needs today, and this is probably the best one.
Thank you.
No worries.
That's cool.
So this car is retired. So we raised it up for 2015. So this car won in Koenigsegg, but we're racing.
The exotic section.
Nice Hurricane pulling up. LP610. Yeah. It's a nice GTR. That's pretty clean too. Alex, what year was that GTR?
It was a 2020 GTR.
Wow, that's crazy. I can't believe they're even out already.
That color's not even out yet, but he has it.
This Tesla's going insane right now. What is happening? It's about to take off. Look at the mirrors. Everything's... What the fudge? No. Thanks, Jake, for getting the pictures for today. And this Supra's pulling up. Jake, oh, never mind.
Those cup holders, like that material.
That's all you need.
Sponsorship.
Yeah.
Let me try to take a picture.
cars coming in. That thing's mean, that Charger. Right now we're just waiting at the front, waiting for more cars to roll up, and then we're gonna go walk around and stuff. This guy's on hydraulics. Come on, dude, I don't want to keep following you. Just lift it up a bit. That cop right there is so confused what is happening. And I'm almost about to get hit by Tesla. Alright, so we decided that we're just gonna, me and Jake and them are gonna chill at the front until the Koenigsegg comes. Maybe the Pagani's coming. I don't know if he's bringing both again, but we'll see. I don't know whose chairs these are, but thank you for letting me use it for cars and coffee.
The worst they can say is get up.
Yep. Hey, they weren't using them, so. He has no hood on it. Revving down. Tyler's laughing at me. Here's a green GTR pulling up. Hey, nice phone case, dude. So we're still waiting at the front right now for the Koenigsegg to come. We've been getting a lot of pictures actually, so if you guys want to see those, go to Car Geeks Media, and that's where all of them will be posted. Alright guys, so the Pagani and Koenigsegg are pulling up right now. Get pictures now! Johnny, hurry up because you're not getting any more. Trying to get pictures and videos, but that didn't work, so Johnny better have got a good one. So, as you guys can see, the Koenigsegg and Pagani just pulled up. So, I'm gonna actually go get my drone right now because there's no way I'm getting pictures or videos of it right now. So, I'm trying to call Jake, he didn't answer. So I mean, if you guys can't see well, but there's just a crowd, like it looks like a madness of mosh pit. I don't even know. So I'm gonna get my drone. We're gonna switch to that video, and then
Get a better shot with that.
yeah, and then we're gonna go back and get some what better shots, I guess. So to the drone. Okay, so pretty pissed right now because my drone. If you know about drones, my cell battery is, I have to decharge it, long story. So we're gonna try and just get some good pictures of the Pagani and Koenigsegg, but of course, the time it's here, it doesn't want to work, and of course, I was literally testing it out yesterday, so everything would be fine. And when I get here, it don't work. You know, that's how everything works. And here's a new Z8. I'm just kidding, it's a Z4.
I don't even know what I'm looking at. It's like, oh, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks later, I'll be like, damn, I really saw that car.
You know that Maybach over there is for sale?
Nah, I didn't see it.
Yeah, right? Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw the ropes in the video, but I went under to try and get some pictures, and he didn't let me stay, so I had to get him from the outside. I mean, it didn't really make much of a difference, but it's like there's other people in there that don't know the owners also, so like, oh yeah, you can just pick someone else with a camera. I was like, really, dude? So
Like, yeah, we're gonna choose this.
that's discrimination, yeah, just because it's not right. The sun just came out and it's super bright. Bro, no, you just gotta use the lip now.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, so I'm not sure what we're doing right now, because I mean, we saw a lot of stuff, we got a lot of pictures and everything.
Heat's coming out now.
Yeah, also the sun just decided to come out of the sky, so yeah, we did good. I think we might head out. I'm so pissed like that the drone didn't go up. So other than that, we had a successful Sunday. Yeah, I have a lot of videos for you guys actually that I have not posted yet, so I'm definitely gonna be posting them soon, so make sure you go subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.